one more thing I want to listen from you. What do you suggest the Indian youth to improve their skill or competency?
Yeah, very good. Again, as I said that, the youths have variety of options available. They don't have to really follow that the traditional route of, going for an engineering or going for one particular subject. Now there are variety of educational streams which are available, and also they can start their own. They can get into startup. They can also work in a small type organizations where they can have multiple roles to play. One. Two is when they start getting experience, they can also do the working like a gig worker, a gig economy, where people can work part time for one particular institution. Morning they are working in one particular probably an outlet. In the school time somebody is teaching at a school. Evening somebody is maybe working at a McDonald's. So these kind of options which are available in India now. So people need to be little open. They need to see that what they want to do. So one thing is very clear, that they need to bring in the clarity. Okay, whether I want to work for this organization for first 3 to 4 years, because that is the life cycle where I will get a lot of learnings, the ups and downs in the organization. They need to see the full cycle. It's not always that organization is growing or growing. In the last 18 months we have seen the organizations have shrunk. The performance has not been very healthy. Now, how do you really work? How do you perform in the difficult situation? And you are quite cautious about your own wellness, your own health. Okay. So we will talk about even the wellness is something which is important. Yeah. We will cover that piece as well. So this is what I would strongly suggest to the youth. Be passionate in whatever you do.
Yeah.
Be focused, whatever you want to achieve. And you will bring in innovation, you will bring in creativity when you are fully into it.
Yeah.
You cannot do multiple tasks with the same time. The way our brain works is the brain takes instructions one after the another. Okay, so that means if I am talking to you at this moment, I am only talking to you, right? I cannot do many other things. I cannot work on computer or on my mobile, right? This is what the youth need to understand this.
Yeah.
While I can quickly shift over, that is what the change is happening, which is good. But I cannot do multiple tasks at the same time.
This is what actually taught us in XLRI, that multitasking, same time doing multiple things,
Yeah.
will give a crack.
Yes.
It will not work.
Correct.
properly.
Correct.